What makes Roblox games popular? So I collected a few of the main things that might impact the success of a game on Roblox or just any game in general. Alright, the first thing is engaging gameplay. So games that offer unique and engaging gameplay mechanics stand out on Roblox. If the gameplay is engaging, it encourages the player to play that game again and for longer, which helps grow the game even further because it will be promoted on the front page more. Another thing that makes games popular is if the game is fun with friends. Some of the most popular Roblox games are designed to be fun when they're played with a group of friends, or even just like one friend, or even just fun solo, which if your game is fun to play with friends, it can increase the player base very quickly because it has some type of snowball effect, because one person will invite their friend to play the game and then they'll play it, and then their friend will invite another friend of theirs, and then it'll keep on going down this chain of just inviting more people, which will help grow a game very quickly. And that's why a lot of the most popular games are designed to be fun with friends. Alright, and the next thing is regular updates. If your players can rely on regular updates to the game, then it'll give them something to look forward to instead of just knowing that the game is never going to change. So if you give them regular updates, you give them something to look forward to. And also, if someone plays the game and then thinks it's boring or something and then they quit it, but then if they see like a month later there's been like 4 updates or something, they might want to try out that game again. So regular updates also brings players back to your game. The next thing is competitive aspect, like leaderboards, or if it's like just a competitive game in general. So competitive things like leaderboards can encourage players to stay and grind your game for longer. And the more that people start doing that, the higher consistent player count that game will have, which in turn will also put on the front page of Roblox. Yeah, a lot of these things is if you're able to get your game onto the front page of Roblox, then it'll snowball your game even more, but it's just the difficulty is trying to get your game up there in the first place. Alright, and the next thing is replayability. So games that can be played more than once without getting repetitive or boring increases the average amount of playtime and also the amount of times that someone revisits that game, which helps keeps a consistent player base, and possibly like inviting more people or just showing up for more people. And also if your game has higher replayability, then it'll basically have a lot higher chance of staying popular for longer. Alright, the next thing is a rewarding progression system. So if the game makes the player feel accomplished whenever they complete a task or a goal or an objective or something while they're progressing through the game, then that'll increase the likelihood of them staying and playing that game. So if you have a progression system that allows players to, like, I don't know, upgrade their items or gives them unique cosmetics or something even to make them feel like special, like a title or something that signifies, you know, what they've done or something like that. Alright, and the last thing is ease of gameplay. So if a game is designed for basically anyone to be able to play it without like any prior knowledge, so if a game has a good tutorial system or simple gameplay mechanics, then it makes their game easier to play and it opens up their game to a larger player base compared to if their game was more complicated. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also, if you want to check out my Discord and my Roblox group with a link in the description, then that would help me out greatly. I appreciate everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.